Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to review my top 3 notches that I've owned, not including my current one. So let's start with number 3. It was a 1993 red notch, had black interior, no option car, had a dealer installed sunroof, usual bolt-ons, head, cam, intake, full exhaust, gear, V3 supercharged. Made some pretty good power, 445 rear wheel horsepower, 421 torque. Yeah, I sold that one, and I believe it's still currently out in BC. So let's have a look at it. Moving on to number 2, I actually owned this Mustang twice. It was a red 1989 notch. When I got it back the second time, it now had black interior with power windows and locks added to it. Prior to that, it was a gray interior, no option car as well. Had the same great bolt-ons, heads, cam, intake, full exhaust, gear. It was a V1 supercharged. Made some decent power as well, 465, 417 rear wheel torque. But this coupe was super clean. Body, the trim, quarter windows, interior, just top to bottom, super clean. I ended up selling that one to a friend, and it's still local here in Ontario. So let's look at number 2. And my number 1 notch that I owned and regret selling was my 1993 Reef Blue Coupe. It was fully loaded with ice-cold air. It was originally a Texas car. I located this one in Nova Scotia, so I had it shipped in sight unseen. Had some great work done to the car already. You know, heads, cam, intake, 331 stroker motor, full exhaust, gear, V1 supercharge. This one made a little bit more power than the other coupes. 512 rear wheel horsepower, 509 torque, and that was detuned. And yes, I regret selling that one, being a, you know, it's a little bit harder coupe to find, being a reef blue coupe. So sold it to a friend, and I believe it's still here locally in Ontario. So let's take a look at my number one. Okay, so those were my top three notches. I hope you guys enjoyed those. I would love to hear which one was your favorite. So don't forget to comment, like, ring the bell, subscribe, all that stuff. And of course, thanks for watching.